Hey there, fellow educators. Ever wondered what scouting is all about? Well, I've got the perfect way to explain it. Hey, have you ever heard of scouting? I heard it's a movement that helps people learn new skills in nature. Do they give snacks? Because I heard they give adventures, and I love adventures. But what exactly is scouting? Scouting is a movement that teaches young people life skills like leadership, teamwork, and how to interact with the community. It teaches you how to camp, live in nature, and helps you become a better person. When you're in scouting, you learn skills like camping outdoors, learning how to survive in nature. Look, we're building a tent. I think we'll be experts in no time. Oh, so that's how you build a tent? I think I can do that with a little gelatin. Do scouts need gelatin? Not exactly. It's about helping others and learning new things all the time. In scouting, people also learn how to help the community, like cleaning public spaces or helping people in need. An important part of scouting is community service. You get to help with things like cleaning up spaces, collecting donations, or even solving problems for others. Wow, I can be a hero in community service. But do I need special equipment? Not really. But in scouting, you learn how to be a leader, solve problems. These are great skills that help in everything you do in life. So what do you think? Want to become a scout? Of course! If I get to have adventures and eat delicious food, what are we waiting for? I'm in! Learning new things, camping, and helping the community, that's what scouting is all about. How about you guys? Are you ready to join the scouting movement? If you love adventure, scouting is the place to be. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe, and share it with your friends. That's all for today. See you in the next adventure.